Tyson Foods has opened a new $355 million facility in Bowling Green, Kentucky to expand its bacon production. Per week, the 400,000 square foot plant is expected to produce 2 million pounds of Jimmy Dean and Wright brand products, as well as bacon used in food service. The plant was designed with the safety and well-being of Tyson's team members in mind. It uses high-tech robots to help eliminate ergonomically stressful tasks, such as transporting large pork bellies along multiple production lines, packing and stacking boxes, as well as to safely move product through production zones with driverless forklifts and autonomous guide vehicles. Located in Warren County's Kentucky Transpark, the new facility will create nearly 450 jobs in South Central Kentucky. The new facility represents an opportunity for Tyson Foods to innovate with new bacon flavors, cuts, and products.